If you're someone who wants to create videos, whether you're just starting out or want to level up your game, keep watching because I'm about to change your life. Just kidding. No, probably not. But still keep watching, and welcome to episode 1 of my Creator Bootcamp. This series is all about making content. It's completely creator focused. We'll be going through the process, the hardships, tips and tricks, things to look out for, and even technical breakdowns. All the things that come with doing what you want to do, making videos. And throughout this bootcamp, I'm gonna be starting from scratch myself, making a completely new channel and my first video, and I'll take you guys along with me through every step of that process. But before we get into all that stuff and you get into making your videos, we first have to ask ourselves a very important question, which is, why do I want to make videos? What am I doing this for? Now, I really want you to sit with this question, even make a list if you need to. Jot down all the reasons, big or small, that you either want to start making videos or take making videos more seriously. Let me give you some time. All right, that's it, time's up. Now, what I'm about to say may seem very harsh or blunt, but I do think it's very important to understand when starting out. In my opinion, if you're someone who's really looking to take this content creation stuff seriously, the only correct answer is because I love making videos. That's it. That should be your primary answer. I always see a ton of videos like how to make money quick on YouTube, or how to get 100,000 subscribers, or how to get 1 million views. And if you're watching this thinking that's what you're gonna get here, unfortunately, it's kind of the opposite. Because when you're starting out with content creation, it's almost essential that money and fame are not things that you are prioritizing at all. Not to say those are things you can't be hopeful for or mindful of. Obviously the ultimate goal for a lot of us is to be able to make a living creating videos. But if you're getting into content creation for the main purpose of going viral or getting rich, you're essentially just playing the lottery, but with extra steps. There are millions upon millions of creators posting every single day online. So as harsh as it may sound, there is no guarantee that you're gonna see any sort of success doing this, even if you're making the world's most amazing videos. And I don't say that to shut you down or bum you out, but I do think it's a reality that you have to face and be okay with before you really choose to commit to content creation. Because sure, it may seem all fun and exciting now, but if you're 3 years into it and you haven't really seen the growth that you're looking for, it's gonna be really hard to find the motivation to keep going. But if you're making videos simply because you love making videos like I do, then all the success and subscribers and money, it's all secondary because you're already doing what you love. And I don't mean to say you need to have this like weird obsessive passion in order to make videos. If you just want to make fun little videos here and there, that's awesome. You should do that and send them to me so I can watch them. But if you're looking to eventually make this into a career, then yes, your passion for creating should be your main focus and priority. And all right, next we have to figure out what kind of videos you're going to be making. And the typical advice here would be to find your niche based on what people are watching and what's going viral. But I actually think that's pretty damaging advice starting out, because in my opinion, this is the time that you should be making videos of all different types and genres that interest you. There's no need to pigeonhole yourself into making one genre of videos so soon. If you want to make a cooking video one day and then a gaming video the next, you should do that. This entry period should be more about experimentation than anything else. So while you can be mindful of analytics, it really shouldn't play any big part in deciding what kind of content you want to make. So to start out, make a list and jot down all the different types of videos you enjoy watching the most. Don't worry about any sort of analytics like market demand or competitors. Just ask yourself, what type of videos do I usually find myself watching and think it would be fun to try to make myself? So your homework for this week is to 1, ask yourself that question and give yourself an honest answer, and 2, make a list of all the types of content that you want to make. And in our next episode, we're going to be focusing on creating our channel and designing its overall look. See you then, soldiers.